Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you back again. Now, you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on how to choose a good affiliate marketing product to promote. Well, you're in the right place. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can choose a good affiliate marketing product to promote. Now, this YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So click the subscribe button down below and don't miss out on any new videos, and let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. And also, if you're interested, click the link in the description directly below the video and you can get access to my 4-day free video training series. Some great tips and strategies to help you get started in your affiliate marketing business. Love to see you in there. So, how do you choose a good affiliate marketing product? Well, let's have a look in the computer. So why is it so important to choose a good product? Well, first of all, there's a lower refund rate from good products. So that means you get to hold more of your commissions. The customers get the results from the products that you promote, which in turn makes happy customers, which is what we're all after. And happy customers will stick with you and will buy more products from you in the future. This also enables you to build a better reputation online, build your brand, and people will know that you provide good service and promote good products. So what does a good affiliate marketing product look like? How can you tell if it's a good product or a bad product? Well, you really need to do some research. So first thing to do would be to look at the sales page for the product. Have a good look at it, read through, watch the video, and see if it feels genuine or does it feel scammy? Are they making outrageous claims? If it's a weight loss product, for instance, if they're saying, lose 100 pounds in a month, eat whatever you want, no exercise. It's an unrealistic claim, so the chances are that product wouldn't work out. If you're in the online, make money online space, and they're saying make $1 million in a month, no work, again, you know this is not going to be a good product. And as we've already said, stay away from bad products because your customers won't be happy, they won't like it, and they'll almost certainly refund. Google and YouTube are a great resource for doing research on products. Have a good look, read the reviews, watch the videos, but also just take them with a pinch of salt, because many of these reviews are written by other affiliates that are trying to promote their own affiliate link, which is fine. But make sure that any reviews that they've been through the course or use the products, so it's not just a case of taking the selling points off a sales page. Look for evidence of results of people that have used the product and got good results and left testimonials. That's quite a good sign as well. And check with the vendor to see if there's a deep sales funnel. By that I mean, are there other complementary products that are on offer for upgrades or upsells once the customer has bought the first product? But I'll go into that a little bit more detail in just a moment. Of course, the best way to find out if a product is any good is to actually buy the product and use it, go through the course or use the product, be a product of the product. That way you can see if it works, see what results you get, see how it's going to benefit your customers. And also it allows you then to sell that product with moral authority. You know what it's going to do for your customers. You can sell it being happy that it's going to give your customers what they need, that it's going to solve the problems that they were looking to solve in the first place. So let's have a closer look at choosing a product. Now you'll see in this example that there is just one product within the sales funnel. We mentioned earlier that it's better to choose a product with a deep sales funnel. In this example, there's just one product. Now the problem with that, it pays $20 for every sale you make, but just think about what is your income goal. If you had an income goal of say $10,000 a month, and the product that you're promoting pays you $20 for every sale you make, if you was to generate 1,000 leads and you can convert those leads, 5% of those leads into sales, that would mean you'd need to sell 500 units every month to maintain that goal of $10,000 a month. Now, with the best will in the world, that is going to be so difficult to achieve. So a product from with no upsell, no upgrades available, is going to be very difficult to maintain a profitable business. That figure, LCV, lifetime customer value, $20, in this particular example, that is the maximum that you can earn from a single customer, because there are no other offers for them to go for. Now in this next example, now in this sales funnel, you can see that we've got 3 products. The entry-level product, number 1, is a $50 product. There's an upgrade to $500 and a further upgrade to $1,500. Now what I should say, when looking for a deeper sales funnel, it's very important that the products in the funnel are complementary. So say for argument's sake, the product 1 is an affiliate marketing course, and then product 2 is how to get likes on Facebook, and product 3 is a WordPress plugin. They're totally unconnected, and it would confuse your customers, and that would not be a good sales funnel. So the products do need to be complementary, all connected together. Now, not everyone is going to buy all the products in the funnel. That's fairly obvious, but a certain percentage will. So working on the same figures as before, 1,000 leads that convert at 5%. Now 5%, as we've already worked out, is 50 people. Now around 20% of those will buy the second product, and then 10% of the people that buy the second product will buy the third product. So let's actually have a look at how this breaks down into what money that you can potentially make. Now the first example, I mean, that's an example of a bad funnel. So you have 1,000 leads and it converts at 5%. So it's 50 sales that pay out $20. That generates an income or a turnover of $1,000. However, if you're paying for your leads, I mean, it is possible to generate leads for free, but in many cases, you will pay for your leads. And depending on what niche you're in, if the lead costs around $2 per lead, that means you've spent $2,000 on generating 1,000 leads. So with revenue earned of $1,000, cost of leads $2,000, that means you've made a loss of $1,000. So that explains exactly why a product with no upsell, no upgrades is not a good idea. Now the second example is an example of a good funnel with 3 products. Now in this instance, the first product, 50 sales, paying $50. So that works out to 2,500. Now we said if 20% of those people buy the second product, that was 10 people at $500. That works out to $5,000 in sales. And then product 3, if 10% of those people that bought product 2 buy product 3, 10%, that's one customer at $1,500, another $1,500 in sales. So total generated from that funnel is 9,000. The leads would cost the same, 2,000. So revenue earned $9,000, cost of the leads $2,000, leaving a profit of $7,000. Now that gives you a lot of room then to increase your advertising to generate more leads and therefore more sales. So some really valuable information there. I hope it all made sense to you. If you got some value from today's video, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate that. And don't forget, subscribe. Click the button down below and don't miss out on any new videos. Also, leave me a comment in the box. I'd love to get some feedback from you, know what you thought. And if there's any other subjects within affiliate marketing that you want me to cover, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to do a video on those for you. And don't forget, click the link in the description directly below the video and get access to my 4-day free video training series. Now there's some great tips for getting started in affiliate marketing. I really would love to see you in there. So it's been good to talk to you today. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon now. Bye-bye.